It's like 6:30 right now and we're at the beach and it's still sunny outside. What did we get in the shop? Come on. Семечки. From Russia, right?
Yes.
And we found that in Spar. Show what else.
Тобовский волк. Тебе, товарищ. Тюк.
Так, okay. What's that? Cheese doodles.
And regular Fanta water.
Fanta, soda water. That's it?
Yep.
So beautiful. There was a bunch of people here, but they all left, so yeah, it's mostly just us here. Feeding them, because then they're never gonna leave.
And all the birds also.
I think they love you now.
Of course, my best friends now. There's the Peter, there's Joe, there's Alex, and there's
Okay.
Bob. There's Bob. Yeah,
That's
there's
Bob, yeah?
Yeah. Hey Bob, want some?
Stop feeding them,
Alex,
Jesus.
why did that?
Oh, I wish I could jump in. I didn't bring anything for swimming today, so I'm not gonna be swimming. But I wish I could. I just want to stay here forever. Look at these guys. They just keep following Jimmy around. What?
I was thinking I'm smarter than them.
You can't feed them because then they're just gonna keep following you everywhere.
Yeah, but it drops many
I'm
of them.
really scared that they're gonna poop on our heads. We're just gonna hang out now because the sun is so slowly setting, so I think no more pictures. Please don't fall down before the wedding.
Back.
Okay, time to go home. Yeah, we're still right next to the beach. We were right there behind that bush.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Сразу же.
What?
Воду.
You're sitting.
From the window, like, Tagil.
Yeah, Norwegians know how to live their life. think the problem is like when I'm vlogging, I'm trying to say something, but I never know what to say and what to talk about. But what can you say?
And you continue to doing that right now on the camera, seriously.
Yeah, but what can you say when you have a view like this, you know? It doesn't need any words.
The sea is beautiful. Looking guys, it's so beautiful here. Ah! Subscribe, press like.
I just don't want to go home, you know? I want it always to be sunset and...
No, we camp here actually, it's allowed here. Camping.
Well, yeah, you saw the van and the camping.
No, I mean camp to bring tent
Camping
here,
houses.
make fire, make some marshmallows.
Yeah, there was a fire pit where you were swinging.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's allowed to do fire, open fire.
No, only in the fire pit, I think.
Then...
Maybe Engang's barbecue?
Yeah.
One-time barbecue? So, how did you like the beach?
I really like it. It's not so far from the parking place and it's one of the best places.
So there's there's people there, so I don't really want to be rude. So here's the parking lot. There's a van, as you can see, somebody's camping van. And yeah, people come here and camp and go to the beach and have a great time. Let's go home. We don't have so much battery. 17%.
The end.
Yeah, let's go.